Since the beginning of time, homeowners, facilities managers, and contractors have dealt with the same headache, leaking roofs and repairs that don't last. That's why Ultimate Roof was created, to finally put an end to temporary fixes. Ultimate Roof is the first and only roof patch designed to be installed once and last for the lifetime of your home or building. And now this breakthrough technology is available in a way that anyone can use, right out of a bucket. A roof repair product reinvented. Ultimate Roof's 3D reinforcement system, once only available in professional spray applications, is now pre-mixed into a pail, ready to use right from the bucket. No sprayers, no rollers, no messy mastics, just a glove and a bucket of Ultimate Roof. Here's how it works. Open the bucket, grab a handful, press it over the leak, spread it out to 1/4 of an inch thick, smooth it out, and walk away. That's it. Ultimate Roof bonds to nearly any surface you'll find in a home or commercial building. Shingles, tile, metal, flat roofs, flashings, gutters, vents, skylights, HVAC ducts, even stucco walls. It's strong, flexible, gap bridging. It moves with your structure so it won't crack, separate, or fail. It can even be installed to vertical surfaces. And once it dries, it can be painted any color you like or left black. And because it's water-based, low odor, and safe to use, it can even be used indoors to repair leaks without clearing your building or disrupting anyone. So the real question is, what could you use a bucket of Ultimate Roof for to finally stop your roof leaks permanently?